In the previous video, we have seen how to copy the elements of one array into another array using Arrays.copyOf method. So this is completed. In this video, we will see how to copy the elements of one array into another array using Arrays.copyOfRange method. In the previous videos, we have seen these three methods. One is object.clone, another one is system.arrayCopy, and another one is Arrays.copyOf. So we have seen these three methods to copy elements of one array into another array. In this video, we will see Arrays.copyOfRange method. So this Arrays.copyOfRange method is similar to Arrays.copyOf. The extra thing that we have is we can copy a range of elements from the source to the target. So Arrays.copyOf takes two arguments. One is the source element, one is the source array. So the source array, and the second one is number of elements to be copied. So the Arrays.copyOfRange takes one more argument. That means it takes three arguments. The first one is the source array, and second one is, the second argument is the starting index from where the elements should be copied, and the third one is the ending index. Ending index of the elements that should be copied, and this ending index won't be included in the array. So let's see this example. Let's say I have a string array. So string ARR1 equals to Subbu, Selenium, Java, tutorials. So this is a string array. And I have another string array which is string ARR2 equals to new string of 4. Let's say this is 4. Okay, I have declared and instantiated. So I have declared and instantiated a second array with length 4. Now I want to copy the elements of the first array into the second array using Arrays.copyOfRange. So I will say ARR2 equals to Arrays.copyOfRange, and the first argument is the source array. So in this case it is ARR1, and the second argument is the starting index. So let's say I want to copy this one from Selenium onwards, not from Subbu. So the index of this one is 1. So I'll say 1, and the third one is the ending index of the elements that should be copied. Let's say I want to copy it until tutorials. Let's say I want to copy it until Java. Okay, so the index is 2. But if I say 2, this won't be included. The ending index, this won't be included. So I have to say it as 3. If I say 3, then it will be copied until 2. So this is how we have to use Arrays.copyOfRange method. Let's see this one more time. So copying elements of one array into another array. We have already seen these three methods: object.clone, system.arrayCopy, Arrays.copyOf methods. In this video, we will see Arrays.copyOfRange method. Arrays.copyOfRange method is similar to Arrays.copyOf method, except that we can copy a range of elements using this method. So in Arrays.copyOf method, it takes two arguments. One is source and the number of elements to be copied. But Arrays.copyOfRange method takes 3 arguments. One is source array, second one is starting index from where the elements should be copied from, and the third one is the ending index of the elements to be copied. And you have to remember one thing here, the ending index won't be included in the destination array. So let's say we have 2 arrays. One is a string array which is initialized to Subbu, Selenium, Java and tutorials. The second one is declared and instantiated. So string ARR2 equals to new string of 4. Now I want to copy these 2 elements, Selenium and Java. So ARR2 is equal to Arrays.copyOfRange. The source array is ARR1 and the starting index is 1 here. So this is index 0, this is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. And I want to copy only the 2 elements. So the starting index here is 1 and the ending index should be 3 here, because this 3 won't be included. That's why it will copy only the first and second indexed elements. Let's see the example for this one. I am creating a new class here. So new class, and the class name is ArrayCopy4, and I am using the main method. I'll create a string array first. So string ARR1 equals to new string, sorry, not new string, I'll directly initialize this one. So I'll say Subbu, Selenium, Java, tutorials. Now I am creating another string array. So string ARR2 equals to new string of 4. Okay. Now I want to copy the elements of array 1 into array 2. So ARR2 equals to Arrays.copyOfRange, and the first argument I have to give is the source array. So ARR1, and then the second argument is the starting index. So I want to copy it from Selenium onwards. So the index for Selenium is 1, and I want to copy it until Java. For Java it is, the index is 2. So I have to give it as 3 here, because this won't be included in this one, in the copy. So now I'll print this one for string name ARR2. I'll say system.out.println of name. So let's run this one. Run as Java application, and you can see that it is printing Selenium and Java. So one important thing that you have to remember here is that the third argument for this method, Arrays.copyOfRange, we have to give the index plus 1. That means if we want to copy it until Java, the index is 2, but we have to give it as 2 plus 1, 3, because the third index won't be included in the copy of range and it won't be copied. So it will be copied only from first index to second index values. So Selenium and Java will be copied. That's why it is printing only Selenium and Java. So this is how we can use Arrays.copyOfRange method. In this video, we have seen how to use Arrays.copyOfRange method. If you want to download the document for this one, you can go to my repository at github.com/subbustech and then go to Selenium-Java-tutorials. This particular document starts with number 22K. So search with that, and this is the document, which is Java Arrays-copy an array using Arrays.copyOfRange method. In the next video, we will see what are multi-dimensional arrays in Java.